Good morning, friends. I'm Dr. Yogesh Sarode of Jivan Vikas Mahavidyalaya Deogram. I welcome you all in this session. Today, we will learn how to make passive voice of active sentences. Earlier, we had seen how to make passive voice of all tenses. We have excluded 4 types, that means future continuous tense and continuous tense of all perfect continuous type. That means present perfect continuous tense, past perfect continuous tense, and future perfect continuous tense. The passive voice of these types, that is not possible, and passive voice of future continuous tense, that is not in use. This we have seen already, and then we have seen how the remaining 8 types are converted into passive voice. Apart from that, we have seen how to make passive of 2 plus infinitive, then ing form, then when the sentence is too long, that is there is first segment, then that conjunction word that is there. This type also we have seen. We have seen when the 2 sentences are joined by and then one we had seen latest type also. So today we'll see few more types, that is how to make passive of interrogative, WH type, like this. So these are also important topics. So auxiliary type, auxiliary verb, that is is, am, are, was, were, can, shan, should. These are all auxiliary verb. So question are of 2 types, that begins with auxiliary verb and sometimes that begin with WH type. So if the sentence is in active voice of auxiliary type, for example, did you see the black snake? Did you see the black snake? See, the sentence is in simple past tense. Only there is a question, there is interrogation. So while making a passive voice of this active tense, how it becomes? So first you have to make that question into a plain sentence so that there will not be confusion. See, did you see the black snake? It means you saw the black snake, question mark. You saw the black snake? Now it becomes easy for you. You saw the black snake. अभी इसका पैसिव होगा सिंपल, द ब्लैक स्नेक वॉज सीन बाय यू. अभी एक क्वेश्चन था तो आखिरी में क्वेश्चन दे दिया, वॉज द ब्लैक स्नेक सीन बाय यू, दैट बिकम्स पैसिव. डिड यू सी द ब्लैक स्नेक? वॉज द ब्लैक स्नेक सीन बाय यू? दैट्स ऑल. So see such type of questions. Now if the active voice is of WH type, for example, when will you give money? पैसे कब दोगे? So first step is make the sentence plain, assertive type. Will you give money when? Or question, will you give money? Interrogative mark. So while making passive of this, when money will be given by you? Money will be given by you. When निकाल दो, you will give money, money will be given. और when जैसे के वैसे स्टार्टिंग में रख दो, when money will be given by you. That's all, question mark. So whenever there is who, we will use by whom, WH type. We know that there are 8 types of WH words, 8 types, and only one is HW type. Okay. So who, if there is a who in the sentence, then while making passive you have to use by whom. See example, who gave you money? Who gave you money? Make first plain sentence, who gave you money? For example, someone gave you money. इसका पैसिव होगा, money were given to you by someone. तो पहले who की जगह by whom were you given money? By whom were you given money? That's all. Put question at the end. Now, if the sentence is too long, then we make the first part passive and keep the remaining part of the sentence in it. Example: Mr. Newton invented the gravitational force when he was sitting under the tree. Mr. Newton invented the gravitational force when he was sitting under the tree. Now see, passive है, simple है. The gravity will make passive of first part. The gravitational force was invented by Mr. Newton when he was sitting under the tree. Second part is as it is. Right? Now we'll proceed. Here is a table that gives you examples of remaining types which we are seeing today. Now how to make passive of this? First sentence, Scott wrote the story. Simple past tense. The story was written by Scott. Now this table comprises sentences of all types, mixed sentences for your workout. Rupa is washing the clothes. Present continuous tense. The clothes are being washed by Rupa. Elena has cooked the dinner. Present perfect tense. The dinner has been cooked by Elena. I will finish the essay within few minutes. Simple future tense. The essay will be finished by me within few minutes, or within few minutes by me also you can make. The dog bites strangers. Strangers are bitten by the dog. Simple present tense tha. Shah Jahan built the Taj Mahal. Simple past tense. The Taj Mahal was built by the Shah Jahan. They invited me to the party. Simple past tense. I was invited to the party by them. The birds have eaten the grain. Present perfect tense. Grain क्योंकि सब्जेक्ट सिंगुलर में है, हैज़ बीन ईटन बाय द बर्ड्स. Bees make honey. That is universal type, but simple present tense. Honey is made by bees. Everybody has forgotten him. Present perfect tense. He has been forgotten by everybody. Who broke the glass? अपन ने देखा है कि जब सेंटेंस में हु आता है तो पैसिव करते समय बाय हुम लगाते. सो हु ब्रोक द ग्लास. फॉर एग्जाम्पल हु की जगह अपन रमेश रखते हैं. रमेश ब्रोक द ग्लास, तो इसका पैसिव होगा द ग्लास वाज ब्रोकन बाय रमेश. तो रमेश की जगह बाय हुम रख दो. बाय हुम वाज द ग्लास ब्रोकन? क्वेश्चन मार्क. वेयर डिड यू पुट द अम्ब्रेला? वेयर द अम्ब्रेला वाज पुट बाय यू? क्वेश्चन मार्क. Okay, this is simple past tense. Only there is a question. I have sold my bicycle. My bicycle has been sold by me. They are repairing the bridge. Present continuous tense. The bridge is being repaired by them. We prohibit smoking. Simple present tense. Smoking is prohibited. Now, even if you write by us or do not write, makes no difference, because we, the subject is not important here. What is important? Prohibit smoking. Smoking करना मना है. अभी हमारे द्वारा मना है या किसी के द्वारा मना है, that is not important. Now see few more examples to work out. Mohan is liked by everyone. Everyone likes Mohan. अभी यहाँ passive voice दिया, आपको active करना है. He was taken to the hospital. ओके अब यहाँ देखो, जब आप उसका एक्टिवाइज करेंगे तो सब्जेक्ट में आप कंफ्यूज होके उसको हॉस्पिटल में ले जाया गया. अभी कौन ले जाएंगे? कोई तो ले जाएंगे. सब्जेक्ट विल बी देयर, समवन, और यू कैन से दे. यू कैन से दे टुक हिम टू हॉस्पिटल और समवन टुक हिम टू हॉस्पिटल. यू हैव टू यूज द सब्जेक्ट समवन और दे लाइक दिस. द मैसेज हैज़ बीन सेंट. मैसेज को भेजा गया. मैसेज को भेजने वाला कोई तो होगा. सो समवन has sent the message. The bill was paid by Suresh. Suresh paid the bill. Was the doctor locked by them? Was the doctor locked by them? अभी ए सिंपल पास्ट टेंस है, इतना है कि इसमें इंट्रोगेशन है, क्वेश्चन का पैसिव वॉइस है पास्ट टेंस में, तो इसको करेंगे वॉज द डोर लॉक्ड बाय देम, डिड दे लॉक द डोर, डिड दे लॉक द डोर मीन्स वॉज द डोर लॉक्ड बाय देम. नेक्स्ट, आई वॉज आस्क्ड मेनी क्वेश्चंस. Many questions were asked to me. Many questions were asked to me means I was asked many questions. He was saved by his dog. His dog saved him. My pen has been stolen. मेरा पेन चुराया गया. अभी चुराने वाला सब्जेक्ट कोई तो होगा, तो इसका एक्टिव होगा someone had stolen my pen, like this. See more examples. Milk is used for making butter. Okay, milk is used for making butter. How will you make this? You work out this. That will be more interesting. Mr. Joshi will be invited. ओके, मिस्टर जोशी विल बी इन्वाइटेड, तो इन्विटेशन की प्रक्रिया कोई ना कोई व्यक्ति होगा करने वाला, सो दे विल इन्वाइट मिस्टर जोशी, दैट्स ऑल. 10 पोएम्स वेर कंपोज्ड बाय गीता. गीता कंपोज्ड 10 पोएम्स. ओके, देन who ate the fruits, that we already didn't, just read. By whom were the fruits eaten? अभी यहाँ इम्परेटिव के सेंटेंस दिए हैं. ईट ईट, उसको खाओ. लेट इट बी ईटन, पैसिव वॉइस. लेट ईट द एप्पल, लेट द एप्पल बी ईटन. कैच द बॉल, लेट द बॉल बी कॉट. रिंग द बेल, लेट द बेल बी रिंग. तो इसका जो इम्परेटिव का आपको पैसिव करना है तो यू हैव टू यूज लेट वर्ड. ओके, लेट द टाइगर बी किल्ड, पैसिव वॉइस, तो उसका एक्टिव होगा इम्परेटिव टाइप, किल द टाइगर, लेट द टाइगर बी किल्ड. ही वॉज फाउंड डेड, ही वॉज फाउंड डेड. ओके, उसका आप इसके लिए वर्कआउट करो. इट इज़ नॉट दैट आई शुड सॉल्व ऑल दिस, जस्ट आई हैव पॉइंटेड फॉर यू दैट देयर कैन बी सच टाइप ऑफ सेंटेंसेस ऑल्सो. इफ यू फाइंड इट डिफिकल्ट यू कैन मेल मी. Promises must be kept. Promises must be kept. इसका होगा you must keep promises. Let the letter be posted. Imperative type. Post the letters. Like this. So friends, I have covered all types, all tenses of active voice and passive voice. I don't find there can be any type in any book apart from these in this voice. So friends, whatever sentences I have shown you, just work out that. Just take more examples of the same pattern. You will be well versed in this topic. Apart from this, if you have any query, you can mail me your questions. Definitely will get your answer. So thank you very much. Good day.